In this video, we'll show you how to mount the EVO Wireless Video Doorbell. Before mounting, ensure the location has good, reliable Wi-Fi reception by streaming video with the device at its intended location. To determine the optimal mounting height, we recommend viewing the live stream on your mobile while experimenting with different placements so you can ensure the field of view gives you the best coverage. The ideal installation height is about chest height. If mounting to a wood surface, screw the bracket directly to the surface using the provided screws. If you're mounting it to masonry, install the included wall anchors. You can use the supplied bracket foam tape to fill gaps between the bracket and surface prior to securing it. If mounting to a window, clean all the surfaces with isopropyl alcohol and then let them dry. Then use the supplied rectangular double-sided tape. Peel off a liner and apply the tape to the bracket. Then peel off the other liner and press the bracket firmly against the surface for 60 seconds. Allow 24 hours for the adhesive to cure before attaching the doorbell to the bracket. To attach the doorbell, align the slots on the rear with the bracket and then slide it down. Then tighten the anti-tamper screw with a small Phillips screwdriver. Optionally, to install with an external 12 to 24 volt AC power source. Use a voltmeter to ensure the power source is 12 to 24 volts AC. Then loosen both terminals on the rear of the unit. Next, secure the included wires with connectors to the terminals. Then remove the pre-cut insulation from the wire. Now secure the wires to your existing 12 to 24 volts AC power using the included wire nuts. Align the slots on the rear with the bracket and then slide it down into place. Then tighten the anti-tamper screw with a small Phillips screwdriver. Congratulations! Your new Swann EVO Wireless Video Doorbell is now fully set up and ready to use. It's security you can trust from Swann.